हमें कामिल यकीन है कि आबी वसाइल की तकसीम
able to cause any damage to the flying assets of Pakistan Air Force as per the initial.
हमारी इज्जत, हमारा वफाद और खुददारी सदर ट्रंप का खुसूसी शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ।
Provocative and escalatory actions that were taken by Pakistan last night.
Today on 10th May at the time of Fajr.
Attack missiles on their own territory of Indian Punjab is part
and Mudassir Ahmed that were involved in the hijack of IC-814 and the Pulwama.
सर वो भी आ रहे हैं।
of a larger sinister plan to push the region and
with claims of destruction of Indian S-400 system at Adampur, destruction of airfields at Suratgarh and Sirsa, BrahMos base at Nagrota, RT gun positions at Derang Yari and Chandigarh forward ammunition depot, with heavy damages to other military stations being propagated on social media. India unequivocally rejects these false narratives being spread by Pakistan.
all these missiles that from where they were initiated and what was targeted.
अब मैं आपको पाकिस्तान की मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कैंपेन के बारे में अवगत कराऊंगी। पहला, पाकिस्तान ने यह क्लेम किया कि उसने अपने JF-17 से हमारे S-400 व ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल बेस को नुकसान पहुंचाया, जो कि बिल्कुल गलत है।
Majority of missiles have been intercepted by the alert air defense system of Pakistan.
Pakistan has been spreading fabricated allegations that the Indian Armed Forces have targeted mosques. Let us make this very clear here that India is a secular nation and the Indian Armed Forces are a reflection of our constitutional values. We hold every place of worship of all faiths in the highest regard. Our operations have been aimed exclusively at terrorist camps and facilities being used for anti-India activities. No religious sites, I repeat, no religious sites have been targeted by the Indian Armed Forces.
Electronic signatures of all these missiles that from where they were initiated.
An incident related to the attack on a Gurdwara in Punch. Instead of owning up to these attacks, Pakistan made the preposterous and outrageous claim that it was the Indian Armed Forces and the Indian Air Force that was targeting cities like Amritsar and trying to put the blame on Pakistan. This is nothing but a desperate attempt by Pakistan to disown its acts of aggression.
Missiles and drone attacks that have been launched by India on the Gazan
Yet again, completely ludicrous claim that Indian missiles have hit Afghanistan. Totally frivolous allegation. And I only want to point out that Afghan people don't need to be reminded about which country it is that has, on multiple occasions, in just the last 1.5 years, targeted civilian populations and civilian infrastructure in Afghanistan.
We would attack our own cities is the kind of deranged fantasy that only the Pakistani state can come up with. Perhaps they do it because they are well versed in such action, as their history would show.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.